Okay, in this tutorial, we're going to use an image as a layer mask in Photoshop. I'm using Photoshop version 25.9, I believe, but this has been working for years and probably will continue working. All right, let's get started. I've got a background layer here. To start, let's go ahead and unlock that. And we've got an image of a spontaneously combusted Tesla. So let's go ahead and add a photo of Elon Musk here and use it as a mask. Have him smiling right on there. All right, let's drop it on the car there. Perfect. And what I want to do is use this mask, use this photo as a mask to the layer below and make it like a color. So let's go ahead and add a new layer. That's just a solid color layer. New fill layer, solid color. Let's go with like a red. Okay, and I'm going to put this actually below our base layer here, because what we're going to do is use this image as a mask and it will turn red basically. All right, so here's where the magic happens. We're going to select our layer, our image that is going to be the mask itself. I'm going to press Control A or Command A if you're on Mac, and then Control C or Command C on Mac. And this is just copying the whole contents of this current image. Okay, I'm actually going to hide this layer now because we don't need to see it. And now select our layer that we're going to be masking, and we're going to add a mask to it, add layer mask. So here's the tricky part. You're going to hold down Alt and then click on the mask itself, and this allows you to edit the mask directly. And from here, you just paste. So I'm going to do Control V, or you can do Command V on Mac. And as you can see, our image is now there in the middle of our mask. So if we click away, boom, you can see that that worked pretty well. We can even move this mask around. Just click on the mask itself, and then you can click on this part and move it around to get it how you like it. Now here it looks a little weird. You can't really see what it is. Not sure I like that. You could put it somewhere with a better background, and it will, of course, look more normal. I kind of like it here. Looks pretty messed up. I think that looks pretty good. One thing to note, the image you're going to use as a mask, typically you're going to want something that has, you know, a white background or a black background, so that it actually like cuts it out properly here. Another thing to consider, you want a lot of contrast typically in your image so that it looks good. So if you don't, you can click on it and do image adjustments, levels, and you can kind of play with this a little bit to get it just how you like it. So in this case, maybe I kind of want it like this. And that's all there is to it. You should be able to use this with just about any image and mask it as you like. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments.